Today, we are going to inform you a foretaste of a very dangerous hurricane that we will most likely face in the future. This is the first time recorded in the world history such this hurricane. Let's know about this. Using satellites, radar and other sources, scientists could reveal a mass plasma above North Pole. Research team identified that this is a space hurricane that is not recorded ever in history. Indeed, this is a space plasma hurricane. Observation was recorded in the middle of 2014 and lasted about 8 hours. According to scientists, this space plasma hurricane showed an abnormal large. When this plasma rapidly transferred its energy and other particles into the Earth's atmosphere, it is a source of terrible hurricanes. Because not like other hurricanes, the rains are electrons. It was located hundreds of kilometers from the North Pole. In words of scientists, this should not take as a simple one, because there is a relationship between plasma and atmosphere magnetic field in a planet with the universe. Therefore, this space plasma hurricane should have unbelievable width and length. In this case, scientists measured width of this plasma hurricane. It was about 1000 kilometers. When observing this hurricane, it was rotating in the opposition direction, as well as this showed normal shape of hurricane. Scientists say that although there have been many lower-level hurricanes on other planets, such as Jupiter and Saturn, they have never observed such a space plasma hurricane at high levels on the planet's atmosphere. This hurricane was found by scientists at the University of Shandong in China and University of Reading in England. Although this space plasma hurricane was disappeared, but in the future these hurricanes will be improved. Under this situation, people may be got sick. Animals and other environmental system may be destroyed. This observation implicates us an important thing. This is the time to study further about space weather.